If you ever traded in options, then you know the real game lies in managing your premium. But with multi-leg strategies, it is often difficult to track the real net premium. And that's why we have introduced a powerful feature in QuantMan, the options basket. It gives you a single clear picture of the net premium across multiple legs, also known as combined premium. In this video, we will walk you through an expiry day selling strategy using our brand new feature option basket and show you how to deploy, adjust and monitor the strategies like a pro. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. As usual, log in QuantMan platform. Once you have logged in, go to Backtest or Algo page. Give the start date from January 1, 2024 and give the end date till March 31st, 2025. As per the SEBI's restrictions, we are not supposed to show the last 3 months report. As this is an expiry day selling strategy, I am going to name it as selling strategy. The instrument that I have chosen here is Sensex, as it has the weekly expiry. In indicators part, there is current candle where I am going to change the time frame into 3 minutes chart. So this current candle will be mapped in equity chart, which means the spot chart. Let's begin with defining the options basket. So in add indicator, type options basket. So now I am going to open 4 legs. For this, I am going to sell a call option and sell a put option. For that, I am going to hedge my positions. For the sell leg, I am going to take the OTM3 strike price. For the hedge positions, I am going to take the far OTM, which is OTM8. Now I am going to give the time of the day equal to 9:29:29 seconds. At 9:30 AM, we instruct the algorithm to create a basket. This is a time-based trigger, which means that the strategy gets executed based on the specific time given, not the price level. Now here is the best part. Once the basket is created, it can execute instantly. One of the distinct features in QuantMan's option basket is now you can apply directly the indicators on the options chart. You can map the indicators fields to the basket, enabling analysis not just in the leg level but with the premium level. This kind of mapping is exclusive to QuantMan. Now we are going to add another indicator, which is Supertrend. The candle interval that I am going to change is into 15 minutes chart. The field that I am going to choose here is my combined options premium. So this Supertrend will be applied in my options basket. So the next indicator that I am going to add is ORB. The candle interval that I am going to choose here is my 30 minutes time frame. The field that I am going to select here is my spot chart, which means that on the Sensex spot chart, if it breaks out on the 30 minutes candle trend, then I am going to enter into the trade. So we are going to give the entry condition. Days to expiry is equal to 0 and time of the day is equal to 9:29:29 seconds. We keep the entry conditions straightforward. This strategy runs on expiry day and it triggers exactly at 9:29:30 seconds. As soon as the condition is matched, we are going to deploy the basket. The strategy allows you to choose the multiplier. So the default multiplier is 1, which means that it will execute one lot of each leg which is mentioned in the basket. In the basket, if the legs has one lot and here you are going to add into 2, then you will be trading 2 per lot for the each leg. So as of now, I am going to give 1 lot. If the market stays in sideways and non-volatile, then we can expect a smooth decay of the premium. However, if the market start to show a trending in either position, then we have to add adjustments for the counter positions. QuantMan helps here too. With options basket, you can compare the value of the options premium for each leg. Or even better, you can compare the combined premium of the entire basket. For this strategy, if the market is volatile, then we are going to add the adjustments. So let's add the first adjustment. In add adjustment, we are going to adjust when the basket 1 leg A loss percentage is above the basket leg B loss percentage. Firstly, we are going to identify which leg is creating a loss. This could be done by comparing both the legs loss percentage. I am going to add another condition, which means the combined basket close is above the Supertrend. By adding these two adjustments, This gives me two confirmations at the individual leg level and the combined premium basket level. I am going to add another condition. Leg B already exited is false. I make sure that the another sell leg is not exited. If the adjustment condition is confirmed, then we are going to exit the losing sell leg and we deploy a fresh OTM3 put sell and OTM8 put buy. The new put sell is deployed with 125% of stop loss. Same adjustment applies for the another sell leg also. I am going to adjust when my basket leg B loss percentage is above basket leg A loss percentage. And my combined basket 1 minute close is above Supertrend. And basket leg A already exited is false. Now I am going to sell the losing leg with the corresponding hedged position. Then I am going to deploy a fresh OTM3 called sell and OTM8 called buy. For the fresh leg, I am going to add 125% of the stop loss. So now we are going to close the losing legs. So we will be closing basket 1 leg B and basket 1 leg D. Now I am going to add my daily targets. The take profit would be 3000. This ensures that we exit when the basket reaches the profit of 3000. This makes the strategy consistent and more disciplined. Now let's backtest this entire strategy. This strategy gives me a good winning probability around 80%. And my risk per trade is also about 3.48%. My maximum drawdown is just 3411. And you can see the entire strategy's details over here. Whether you are building an iron condor or developing a full customized combo strategy, this feature helps you to track the premium at the right way. Hope this video finds useful for you. For more such videos and updates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And drop your questions in the comment sections. We are happy to help you out. Until next time, trade smart and trade with QuantMan.